Looking for a natural solution for your pet's cough? Discover TOBYDIC Cough Supplement. Our natural formula offers at-home treatment for kennel cough, providing upper respiratory and breathing support while boosting immunity. Easy to give to cats and dogs of any age or breed, with no odor or bad taste. Effective in relieving dry, wet, and barky coughs, as well as wheezing. Gentle on the trachea and respiratory tract, our drops enhance overall pet health.